Oh shit, the camera's dirty. Alright guys, you know who it is. CNC Customs Chris. So here we are, taking the fuel injectors out the fuel rail. What I'm going to do is, see if we can get close up. That one's dirty, let's get a little bit cleaner. There we go. I'm going to decap them, if you can see that. Damn, I can't. Anyways, the two little holes in there, I'm gonna take the cap off them. There you go, kind of see it now. I'll show you guys how to decap these things. I don't know if I'll show you. We'll see. Yep, there we go. Focus, you fuck. So, decapping them, these flow at 25 pounds stock. And after decapping them, I'm hoping they're going to flow at 75 pounds. After I decap them all, I'm going to send them out and get them flow tested, and I'll let you guys know. Until then, that's a little update, baby. To take these off, very simple. Just a little clip here. Just push it to the side. That's it. And the injector, you just pull that bitch out. Nothing to it. Let's go find that thing. Don't do it one-handed. But that's what CNC Customs doing right now. Peace. Alright guys, here it is. Hopefully this bitch will focus. Yep, kinda. Focus. 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 Focus, you fuck. Anyways, I got it off. One of the caps. Put that down.
So what
This is what it looks like after it's been decapped. All you gotta do, just keep grinding away until it comes off. Now decapping that should make it flow a lot better. So, and to give it perspective, that's what the other one looks like with it being capped. So, caps. See the two holes? That's the only way the fuel's coming out. Now, no restriction. So that's how we do it, baby. Alright, what's up, CNC Custom fans? Here we are. Doing a little work on some injectors right here.
Put in a little work.
As you know in the previous video, baby. Come on, focus, you fuck. There you go. Just taking the caps off so we get more fuel pounds for the cars. I already did a set of those. He's working on his set. As you can see, baby, focus, you fuck. There we go. As you can see, more pounds, baby, more pounds of fuel. Making it work, baby, making it work. So while he's doing that, working on this mess of wires right here, baby. Come on, focus, you fuck. There we go. Making my own standalone harness for, you know what it is, LSXus, baby. So, just a little brief update. Catch you guys later.